Hello, welcome to today's lesson on probability. But first, here are a few essential vocabulary words. Number 1, probability, the likelihood of an event occurring. Number 2, fraction, a numerical quantity that is not a whole number. Number 3, percentage, a rate, number, or amount in each 100. Number 4, outcome, the result of something in an event. Lastly is a probability equation, which is the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes. Now, let's get started. Example number 1. What is the probability of landing on all the colors except pink? So there are 2 pinks and 6 colors that aren't pink, but in total there are 8 colors. So this means we'll start with 6 over 8, which simplifies to 3 over 4. So the probability is 3 over 4 or 75%. Now let's continue. What is the probability on landing on green? It's 1 over 8. What is the probability of landing on pink? It's 2 over 8, which simplifies to 1 over 4. Now you must multiply 1 over 8 by 1 over 4, giving you 1 over 32. This means that there is a 1 over 32 chance in landing on green or pink after spinning. Okay, now going on to example number 2. A small high school surveyed their students to see what end of the school year lunch they'd prefer. Here are the results. 21 ninth graders chose hamburgers, 4 ninth graders chose pizza. In total, there are 25 ninth graders. 39 10th graders chose hamburgers, 17 10th graders chose pizza. 56 10th graders in total. 87 11th graders chose hamburgers, 29 11th graders chose pizza. There are 116 11th graders in total. 129 12th graders chose hamburgers, 37 12th graders chose pizza. There are 166 12th graders in total. So there are 276 votes for hamburgers, 87 votes for pizza. So overall, there is 363 students. Now, question number 1. What is the probability that a randomly chosen 11th grader will prefer pizza? That would be 29 over 116. So the probability is 29 11th graders out of 116 prefer pizza. Question number 2. What is the probability that someone who prefers pizza is a 10th grader? Okay, now that would be 17 over 87. So there are 17 over 87 possibilities of a 10th grader preferring pizza. Question number 3. What is the probability that a randomly chosen student will prefer hamburgers? Okay, now that would be 276 over 363. So 276 over 363 students could be a randomly chosen student who prefers hamburgers. In this lesson, you were introduced to probability and the possible outcomes in events. Now, it's time for a quick, fun question. But first, you need to know the following. There are 4 green Steven cards, 3 red Orozco cards, 2 blue Hawkins card, and 1 purple Chavez card. Now that you saw Perla draw out a green Stevens card, what would have been the probability of her not choosing a green Stevens card? Write down your answer on a piece of paper. If your answer was 6/10 or 3/5, you are correct. These are the credits. And thanks for watching.